Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. What day is it today? It's 28th today. Here we go. Thank you for tuning into my channel, guys. So, the April the 28th, it says, "The eternal God is your refuge, and underneath are the everlasting arms." Deuteronomy 33:27. Praise to the Lord. So, guys, I've been struggling, right? As you know, I don't know if you know. For anybody who's new on this channel, I'm a trader. I've been trading for about 5 years now. I've had some success, but not consistent success, because I keep breaking my rules, you know. And it's hard, you know. If you're a trader, you know it's hard sticking to your rules day after day, week after week. You can have a great week, it only takes that one day to blow up and then ruin your account. I think it was a couple of weeks ago, I blew my account funding challenge in 3 days. And in the last video you can see why I blew that up. Because the trades was good, 1, 2 trades, then it went silly to like 11 trades. That's not consistency. So I thought, right, I want to stay, what my trading plan is, stay on the higher time frames. So I've got clips here of the past week or two, sticking to my rules, not deviating from it. And you know, once you stick to your rules like I did, my results are phenomenal. It's crazy. I don't know if it's luck, or not, but it's just, my trading's just gone through the roof. I don't know if you see on the thumbnail there, but I think I traded 5 trades in 2 weeks and I made over 10%. So I'm going to show you all the metrics here now from the past week. And I called it. Gold was running so high, it ran up for I don't know how many weeks it ran up, obviously with the tariffs and everyone's taking the money out of equities and putting it into gold, but I knew it wasn't going to run, and I caught the top. You can have a look. I caught the top and wrote it down, and it was a brilliant trade, brilliant sell. And also, because I'm on the higher time frames, I'm not rushing about. I don't need to be at the PC, you know, these kill zones and that. Once my alert goes off, then I can check it out. I can see what the charts are saying. So I'll show you the trades now. I'll show you how I got on. Here we go, guys, just a quick update on a 30-minute time frame. As you can see, it came down, then I added one more. Hold on, let me go down here. So as you can see, we came down. I entered a short, then we came down again, I entered another short. Yeah, this second position is only 0.5%, so I moved my stop to 0.5%, then added another one to go lower. As you can see, gold is now selling off. Very, very nice indeed. How did I know? That's for another video, but let's go. As you can see, it starts to sell off. Who would short this when gold has been so bullish? But after sitting in the charts for a while, you kind of know what to look for. And as you can see, it's just breaking lows, making lower lows, lower highs. I was thinking about moving my TP down here somewhere, but I thought I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm just gonna go for a 1 to 2. Hopefully we can get it. I don't want to be greedy. After we made a loss today, less than 0.5% on GJ, we went short, as you can see here. Then it's just gone bullish. It's just turned on me fast, so I thought, now I'm getting out real fast. which is no problem. As you can see on the 4 hour, I thought we was just going to start taking lows out, so that's why I went for a sell. But as you can see, it's turning higher, which is fair enough. That's fine. As you remember yesterday, or a few days ago, I was going long, and now it's starting to go in that direction, which is fair enough. We can't always be right. That's why we have a stop loss, which is perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this play out. Remember, gold's been really bullish, so you know it's gonna be tricky. I don't expect it to pull back a lot, but if we can get this, that'll be about 3% on this trade, so that'll be a very nice trade if we can get 3%. Alright, that's the end of the review. I'll come back and update you. Here we go, guys. This is an update. This is the 15-minute time frame, just to show you. As you can see, it's starting to pull back. I did add another 0.5% down here. Like I say, it's run a lot in the past week, so I'm expecting, look at all that, so I'm expecting a pullback. So I've got him right at the top. You can see right at the top there, sniper entry, perfect. Like I say, I could probably get more out of this, but I don't want to be greedy. I've got two options. I could just take the 1 to 2 for a 3% win, or I could start trailing my stop loss. So move these down here and then just start trailing my stop. As you can see, we're currently up 2%, which is very, very good. I did make a loss on GJ earlier for a little under 0.5%, which is fine. Currently on the account, I'm up just over 5%, going on 6%, which is very nice. But as you can see, look, this is just running and running and running. Right now, this is just falling. Look, it's looking beautiful right now. And with this momentum, I don't really want to just get a 1 to 2, if you know what I'm trying to say. I want to roll with the momentum down. I want to stay with it. As you can see, look at this big bearish candle. It's looking very nice indeed. So I might start trailing this. These are the trades that you like, where it just shows that you're on the side. Look, there was a bit of consolidation in here, and now it's broken out and it's just going down. It's just going down. And look, it's just run a lot, so we've got a lot of space to come into. Again, on higher time frames, it's the only way I'm going to trade, I believe, moving forward. I only need 2% at the minute to pass. If this was a funded account, a real one. Of course, this is just a demo, guys, because my risk management's not been the best. You know, I've been going down to the lower time frames, 5, 3, 1 minute, 2 minute, getting chopped up everywhere. But since I've moved to the higher time frames, I'm starting to hit a lot more winners. So yeah, it's looking very nice. As you can see, this one's flying for us at the minute. Very, very happy. Alright, that's enough of me talking. Let it do its thing. As you can see, look, we're nearly 700 now. Flying. Hold on a minute. Right, guys, this is an update. On yesterday's trade, remember we took 2 trades, one on GJ and one on gold. We got stopped out on GJ right here. As you can see, my stop was up here somewhere. I was expecting it to go lower to take some shorts out, and it just turned up, and I thought, nah, I'm out. You just need to cut it fast. I lost 0.5%. Hey, you're not going to be right every time, which is cool. I'm cool with that. And then we entered a short on gold, And look guys, can you see that? We entered two positions. A full percent up here, then a 0.5% down here. And as you can see guys, we took a massive trade. Absolutely beautiful. I think it was a 1 to 3 more. Whoa. So we got a 1 to 4. Yeah, so we got a 1 to 4 because 250 would have been our risk, and we pretty much got 1,000 out of it. So that's a 1 to 4. As you can see guys, that's a beautiful trade right there. Right guys, so here's the metrics for the 2 weeks. Let me just show you the trades that I took this week, or in the past 2 weeks. So just a quick rundown. We took a nice trade on oil here. That was a very nice trade indeed. What was that for? That was for 2R. Very nice. We got a break even here on New Zealand Swiss franc, New Zealand CAD. Very nice continuation up here. If you can see that. Very nice continuation indeed. Like I say, just quickly guys, in the past I would want to get right at the bottom and try and take it up, you know, right at the bottom, and if I didn't get anywhere near the bottom, I would not enter. Look, this is just showing you that look, I'm right at the top of the range and I'm still buying in this trend higher, you know. So you can still make money if it's already ran up, as you can see. You're reducing your risk of the probabilities of being right, maybe. If you can get in lower, of course it's better, but as you can see, even if you enter higher, you can still scalp something. So New Zealand CAD, what do we get from this one? So here we made over 2%, so just under, say about 2.5%, which was very nice. And of course we've got the full stop out loss. So we've got the full stop out loss here on GJ, 1%, and then again we went short and we took a 0.5%, I think, loss, just under 0.5% loss on there, which is fine because you're not going to win them all, no problem. And then we took this beauty, look, remember, look at that, right at the top. It did come down and take this low, but I wasn't risking it coming back and just for the sake of a few pips. That's happened to me before. A lot of times you want to take something out, this low out, or you want to get to your target and it'll just reverse and go all the way back up. So I wasn't going to risk that short amount of pips, you know, just to take that when I'm already up over 4%. So sorry, 4R. So that was a fantastic trade on gold. Very nice indeed. And there was this last one, I was a bit disappointed in it. I thought I set my, as you can see, we took a nice one here, which we got 1% from. And this one I thought I put my stop loss underneath here. Of course I didn't. And it came back and stopped me out for $50, which is pretty much break even. So bit unlucky with that trade, but here we go. Anyway, let's just refresh this. Very nice indeed. As you can see, we went 1% in the minus, and then ever since then, boom, it's just been an upward trajectory. So it says here number of trades 10. So it probably wasn't 10. I added into a couple of trades, so it's probably about 7 trades all in all, which is good. Max daily loss, not even 1%. Max loss, not even 1%. So again, risk management is key to this game if you're going to go far in it, guys. Trust me, you need to get that on point. Once you can do that, these are the results you can get. Do you know what I'm trying to say? I'm not getting these results if I don't be consistent controlling risk. So anyway, as you can see, a sea of green, very nice. As you can see all there, I don't need to read all that out, but one thing is, which is great from these metrics, look, trades 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. And them 2s are probably me added into the trade, so that's absolutely fantastic. Again guys, I wanted to tell you this, if you're entering more trades, you're not going to make more money than me. Because you make more trades does not mean you're going to make more money. I see making more trades as more risk. You're putting more risk on, you're going to make less money. That's what I think. Yeah, so everyone's different. You could be really successful. I hope you are successful doing if you're scalping or whatever, but for me, everyone needs to find their own niche. For you, you could be smashing it, you could be getting this scalping, no problem, but as well, you're paying commissions on top of that, aren't you? So you just need to find your niche. I'm not knocking any trading style, whatever you want to do. If you're profitable, hey, stick at it and smash it. But this for me is just what I am. This is me to a T now. This is my risk tolerance, my ease, my peace of mind when you're on the charts. You just need to find that sweet spot, and it's taken me a long time, but I'm finding it now. I'm getting a bit of rhythm in it. So win percentage 80%, very nice. Profit factor 8.6, very nice. Expectancy loss, yeah. Number of trades, fantastic. Average RR 2.1, fantastic as well. Average profit 380, average loss, fantastic. Everything's fantastic here. My longest trade was 6 days, 2 hours, and mostly I'd say on average is about a couple of days. So yeah, that's my breakdown for 2 weeks worth of trading, sticking to my rules, guys. This is just 2 weeks worth of trading, sticking to my rules. Now if you can do that too, if I can do that, you can do it as well. We're all in this game to as a career. This is a hard career. People go to law school to be a doctor, to be dentist, and trading is just like that. You put in a lot of work and it takes a long time. Some people do it quicker than others, and fair play to you if you can do it really fast. But anyway, I don't want to make it too long. This is just an overview of 2 weeks, just showing you if you stick to your risk, this is what can do, this is what can happen. So I thank everybody for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm going to be documenting all the payouts, everything, all the journey, throw some vlogs in there, whatever. Let's do this, man. 2025 is gonna be a good year, baby. Let's go. Peace out. Praise the Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.